Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so I'm here with my brand new Nokia 7.2. Okay, so I did a video yesterday unboxing this very nice looking device. This is a mid-range device costing £250 from Argos UK. If you're looking for a nice mid-range device, be sure to check this one out. It's got some really good specs. But anyway, I'll be doing a video now showing you how to install your micro SD card. This is a 64GB SanDisk Ultra SD card, and I'll also be showing you how to install your SIM card as well. Okay, so in the box you should have one of these SIM ejector tools. So I'm just going to take out this little tool. Okay, so let me just take out my SIM card. Okay, so here on the left hand side of the device, right beside the dedicated Google Assistant button, you will see this little tray here with a little hole. Just take the SIM ejector tool and push it down into that hole there. Push right down on it until the tray pops open, and then you can just pull it out. Just like this. Okay, so we have three different sections. So this big section here, let's just focus. This big section here is for the SD card, and these two smaller sections is for your dual SIM cards. Okay, so I'm going to place the SD card in first. So just place it right in there, just like that. And then the SD card, I'll need to break it down again. Damn, my camera's not focusing too well. Okay, so I've broken it down again. Okay, so just place the SD card in, and then just place your SIM card into that smaller section there. So just make sure both are sat down in the tray there comfortably, just like this. And then just pop the tray back in to the slot there. Just take your time and do it, and push it right down and rub your fingers across the top there just to make sure it's closed properly and everything is flush. Okay, so you will then notice, okay, it's saying here issue with SD card, tap to fix. Okay, so we can select set up later. Use for portable storage. No, I'm going to use for extra phone storage. So here you get the option. How will you use this SD card? So you can select to use for extra phone storage or use for portable storage. I'm going to select use for extra phone storage and then format SD. If you already have things on your SD card, do not format it because you will lose everything. But this is a new SD card. There's nothing on it, so I'm just going to format it anyway. Move content later. Your SD card is ready to use. Done. Okay, so let me just pull down the notifications here. I've got a message from EE straight away. So let me go into the settings, system, about phone, SIM status, as you can see there, EE, that's my network. And up here in the top right hand corner, I have my signal strength right there. So my SIM card is working. So now I'm just going to have a look and check my storage. And there it is, I have my 64GB SD card installed. So yeah, everything's set up, ready to go. So yeah, that's how you install your nano SIM card and micro SD card into the Nokia 7.2. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. Thanks for watching. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.